Hello my conscious lovers, this is your queen Eva Oguna. So I promised to bring you a video on how to massage your breasts, and here I am today. I'm living my promise. So before I continue, kindly click the link down here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so I'm enabled to continue bringing you videos without fail. Then can you click the notification bell so that every time we put up a new video you are notified and you are able to watch. Okay, number 3, give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave your comments down here, leave your questions down here on the comment section, so I know what we need to bring to you every now and then. And with that, I have my props. The orange for my what? For my breast. And then we have the lubricant here. This is olive oil. I hope you can see it. This is olive oil. Very pure. And so, this is what we are going to do. This part here will stand for the nipples. Okay? This part here will stand for the nipples. And this is the main breast. This is what you do before you start your massage. You prepare. Preparation. Get yourself in a cool place that you are just alone without any distractions. Kneel down. You do not have to stand up, you do not have to sit down. You kneel down so your body is elated. Like when you kneel on your feet. Okay? You kneel and sit on your feet so your body, your breast is elated up like that. Okay? Yeah? And so then this is what we do. Yeah? You do what? You massage. You start by massaging the sides. You start by massaging the what? The sides. Like that part you massage. Let me just put oil like this, and then I massage on the sides. Like I massage on the sides, kabisa, from here. You come from here and you massage all the way, 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 all the way. Do not touch the main breast. Yeah? The hood of the breast. Okay? After that, just do that for like 10 or 20 seconds. Yeah? And then after doing that for 10 or 20 seconds, now you come to this part of the breast and you massage going down. Make sure your hands are well lubricated and you massage going down the breast. Push it down, push it down, push it down. If possible, get blood flowing from this part of your body and push it all down, push it all down. All right? That one again lasts 10 to 20 seconds. Yeah? Number 3, step 3, hold one breast and massage coming up. Just hold, lubricate your hands and massage. Doing what? Coming up. Massage coming up. And change, and this side again. You can do on your left side more because your left hand is never so energetic like the right one. Yeah? So you need to push the blood up kabisa. Yeah? You need to massage it coming up kabisa. Step 4, hold your breast from the side and bring it all the way. Hold your breast from the side and bring it all the way. Yeah? Go like 20 strokes. Go like 20 strokes. Go like 20 strokes. And when you are done doing that for 30 seconds, that is 30 seconds, okay, come inside. Toa inje. Massage, bringing it out, 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 and out. Everywhere out. For another what? Another 30 seconds. Number 5, is it number 5 or number 6? I think number 5 or 6. Hold one breast with 2 hands and press, coming out, coming to the tip of your breast. Press, coming to the tip of the breast, and then the same on this other side. Okay? Number 6. Are we together, guys? Are we together? So we are going to number 6. Lubricate your hands right inside your palm and then press. Press like that. Press inside like that. Okay? And do that for another what? Another 30 seconds. Yeah? I hope you're not forgetting this. You can use this as a tutorial when you are doing your breast massages. Last one, pay attention. Last one, pay attention. You are still kneeling down. Hold up yourself more. Hold up yourself more. Straight up, and do what we call a jumpy breast massage. A jumpy breast massage is where you hold your breast and you do that. You shake them. You shake them until you feel like, now I'm shaking them and I feel like there is that stretch. You will feel a very, very relieving stretch on them. Just do the jumpy for like 2 minutes. Do not do the jumpy for shorter periods of time. Do the jumpy breast for about 2 minutes. Okay? Okay? After that, you can lie down flat and stretch your hands to the ground. Allow your breast to touch the floor. Okay? And feel if you feel any pain. All right? If you feel any pain. Yeah? Believe me, this is the only way you test if you did a good massage for your breasts. Yeah? This one even makes the lymph nodes that causes breast cancers to do what? To run away from the parts where they do what? They come and settle and they start bringing weird things on your breasts. Breasts are like trees, you know? Yeah? They feed our children. It is a space of feeding. Yeah? Very, 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 very rich in everything. Let's take care of our breasts, guys. Let us take care of our what? Of our breasts. Sawa sawa. So this massage is not meant to be orgasmic. It is not meant to be erotic. This is meant for your well-being. Are we together? Yeah? I'm talking to you. I'm telling you things that not everyone will tell you. I'm not a sex educator who will come and tell you and show you how to dress up a condom, how to do I don't know what, how to bathe, you know? Yeah? How to count the calendar days. I'm not that person. I will come to you with nitty-gritties of the bedroom life. That is why this show is called the Kenyan Beducation. Okay? Yeah? You are getting bedroom education. That is where the word beducated came from. Are we together? So it is so detailed that when you follow, you will never ever regret these erotic things in your life. Until my next video, I love you guys and bye. See you next time.